Hello guys, this is my first video. It will be about the installation of DotNetNuke. The operating system I will use to install DotNetNuke on will be Windows Server Enterprise 2008, the Dutch edition. So I will translate it for you guys, the one that don't understand Dutch. So first we will download the version of DotNetNuke. For that I will use uh, now 4.9. So we go to codeplex.com, go to search projects, DotNetNuke, which is the community edition. Oh, sorry for not filming in full screen modus. I found it's just about here, so you drag it on to the left and so you go to view all downloads. There you can choose your version. I will choose the 4.9, so 4.9.5, then we choose for source code, agree of course, and then we'll download, just wait, and then I will drag it on to my server edition. If you have any tips or ideas how I can make it a bit more convenient to record my screen, please tell it in the comments below. I will read them and see if it's useful for me, because it's a bit difficult to film my screen in full screen mode because I'm using a virtual machine. To run it I use VMware Workstation 7.1. It's downloaded, so I will drag it on here and I will unzip it. There is already a DotNetNuke installation on my PC, but that's for school task, so I won't delete it. So I will make a new installation. So here we have this. Go to website of his library. It's website. Just copy them all. Control A. Oh. No. I think I made a little mistake. No. It's with QWERTY at 30. It's a bit difficult. Control A. Control A. Oh, alright. Then sorry for the interruption. Come on. Oh. Okay, now finally. So we copy the files. We go to our interpub folder. If it's not show enable, it's because you haven't installed IIS yet. So install it. Go to www root folder. We make a new one. So we'll call it YouTube.NetNuke. So this is my installation for school. We open this and we paste them. That's that. You also need to install SQL Server, Microsoft SQL Server Edition. I'm using the full edition, but you can download the express edition from the Microsoft website. If you installed it, you be sure to add the network service user. Network services is the new version of the ASP.NET user, who that was the name in the early edition of Windows Server 2003. So we go to security, edit, I guess in English, add, advanced, search. Well, just go down until you see it, and here it is. You see? Network service user, okay. Give it all the management exceptions you can add to a user, okay. And it will change it, and press OK, and now we open IIS to add a new website. So it's underneath our local hosts. So here we have it's now it's a folder, so we will click right on your mouse, go to convert to application, and press OK. Now we need to add a new database, so open SQL Server edition. Connect yourself. So we will need to add a database and a user. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Got much sleep this night, so haven't got yes. My English bad. So new database. So just give the name .NetNuke YouTube. Doesn't need to be that long. So press OK. That's all you got to do. Press right to security, new login. You can use Windows Server authentication, but I won't recommend that. So YouTube user, give it passwords, long password with lots of different letters and numbers and capitals and all that stuff. Oh. So enforce password policies, because then you don't need to renew your password. Then default database is of course our .NetNuke YouTube. Then you go to user mapping, select the database, and you also need to be the DB owner. So press OK, and that's all you need to do. We open our browser, we go to our local host and slash dot, how is it called? .NetNuke YouTube. Oh man, I didn't know it anymore. Or you can just go to, oh sorry, and hopefully it works now. It should work. Takes a bit long. I hope it doesn't fail. No, it couldn't fail. It fails. That's a huge fail for me. Server name. Should it be a server name? No, it shouldn't be. Or should it? No. Normally doesn't need. Let's just look at the files. Probably just something small. Let's just copy them again. Go again to www roots folder. Control A, delete everything. Paste again. It's weird. I need to say it's very weird. And we will try again. So it's Cuyahoga, it's another ASP.NET CMS system. Now it should work. Yes. Oh, you see, it's working. Oh, sorry, I got just a text message from my sister. She wants to go to shopping in Antwerp, so we choose for the typical installation. Press next. Test your permissions. You see, permissions checked because my network service user has all permissions. Now, yes, I can't remember my server name, so just copy it. Of course, for me, most of you guys can select this, like the Express edition, but I use the full edition. So, paste my name, database was, let's just see again, the .NetNuke YouTube database. .NetNuke YouTube. I don't use integrated security. My user ID was, damn, I forgot. Lots and lots to think of. YouTube user. Haven't forgot my password. Thank God. And that you don't need to fill this in. The database connection if you want to. Connection succeeded. Now it will install the database scripts. Obvious. Everything succeeded. Let's see everything. Perfect. So there are two kind of users. You have the admin user and the host user. Host has the most permissions on your website, so that's the one you should work the most with. So you shouldn't enter a real address. Just use something, doesn't matter what it is. Of course, if you forget your password, yeah, then you should do it. Email address, just of course something different. Give the name of your website. And it succeeded. Now we go to our website. And this is it, so we can drag it to here and log in. And we are logged in as our host. So we have all kind of options to change our website, but that's for another video. I hope it was interesting. Sorry for the mistake I made. I downloaded the wrong source file, but it works now. So I hope you enjoyed it. Tell your friends how to do it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button above. Let comments below if you want that I make a video about something specifically about the CMS system or CMS system most guys would never think about. I would like to try new things, and see you guys next time.